Hello everybody. In today's class, we're going to calculate the final velocity of a roller coaster at 10 meters height. In this problem, we're going to neglect friction. The vehicle's mass is 47 kilograms and the initial velocity is going to be 20 meters per second. First, we need to know that the kinetic energy initial plus the potential energy initial is going to be equal to the kinetic energy final plus the potential energy final. And this is because energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can just be transformed. Okay, so here we know that the formula to obtain the kinetic energy, it's 1/2 times mass times velocity squared initial plus the formula to obtain the potential energy is mass times gravity times height. And that is going to be equal to the same thing, 1/2 times mass times velocity squared plus mass times gravity times height. So then we put the values in each thing. Okay, so here the mass is 47, so we multiply it by 47, and then initial velocity is going to be 20, so we put it here, plus again the mass, that is 47, times the gravity of that it's 9.81 meters per second times the height at that moment, that it's 15 meters. So we put it like that. That is going to be equal again to 1/2 times mass, that it's, in this case it's 47, and we want to find this velocity, that is the final velocity. So we put it like that. Then plus the mass, again that it's 47 times gravity times the final height in which you want to find your velocity. In this case it's 10. Okay. So, oh, here I forgot the square. Okay, so multiplying all this and adding it up is going to be 16,316.05. That is going to be equal that of 1/2 times 47, that is going to be 23.5 velocity squared, plus the multiplication of 47, 9.81 and 10, that is going to be 4,314.6. Now we want to isolate v squared. So here we're going to pass this here subtracting, and it's going to be 12,001.45 equals 23.5 v squared. Then v squared equals 12,001.45 divided by 23.5. It is divided because here, because it's multiplying, you have to pass it to the other side, dividing. So v squared is going to be equal to 510.7 So the velocity is going to be the square root of that. Because it's squared, so term of the squared, get the square root. And that is going to be your answer. So your final velocity at 10 meters, at 10 meters height, here, is going to be 22.59 meters per second. That is gonna be your answer. Thank you very much for your attention.